Hey, Don here. We all know those people who likes to fumble the markers in the workplace, and then right in the middle of the room have that nasty stain that everybody, when they're walking by, they're doing this, looking at it. We all know about that. So check this out. So we got this one little marker spot right here, not a problem. Couple more. Right tools, right solution would make your office look beautiful again. Give us a call for an estimate. We have a fantastic special, carpet and tile cleaning, 40% off. I mean, you can't beat that right there. Make your floors look great, make your home or office look beautiful again, and get it in time for the holidays. We'll be looking forward to talking to you soon. You have a wonderful evening. Thank you.